This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Hey there, Geometry Whiz! Let's take a look at different kinds of angles and practice classifying them. This is a right angle. The rays form a square corner. If you see a little square in the vertex, it means it's a right angle. This is an acute angle. It's smaller than a right angle. This is an obtuse angle. It is larger than a right angle, but smaller than our next angle, which is a straight angle. It looks like a straight line. Finally, this is a reflex angle. It's larger than a straight angle, but smaller than a full circle. That's a big angle. Now, let's test our skills by identifying some angles. We'll decide whether each angle is acute, right, obtuse, straight, or reflex. Which kind of angle is this? This angle is larger than a right angle, but smaller than a straight angle. So this is an obtuse angle. Which angle is this? Look, it makes a straight line. That means that this is a straight angle. It is larger than an obtuse angle, but smaller than a reflex angle. Which angle is this? This angle is smaller than a right angle. This is an acute angle. Which angle is this? This angle is bigger than a straight angle. It's a reflex angle. Which angle is this? Look, it has a little square at the vertex. This is a right angle. It is bigger than an acute angle, but smaller than an obtuse angle. Great job classifying angles. Now you are ready to identify acute, right, obtuse, straight, and reflex angles on your own. You've got this.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.